see that he's scared of these little caterpillars.
Caterpillars.
Alright, let's give an intro. Eve.
Yes.
What are we doing today?
We are doing volcano.
Volcano. Okay, let's do it. Yes. Okay, so what are the steps to do a volcano? What we have is baking soda, tartaric acid, and some food coloring, a red food coloring here. And the rest inside here is just for something else, which we can set aside. Water? Where's water? Okay, so this is the solution to bring a hot water. So first step, let's put this cold water. Very good. And then let's put some hot water. Okay, so this should be warm enough. Yeah. Alright, let's see how much should we put. Stir it, please. So, one final thing that we need.
Yeah.
This is your job. Hold this. Now let me just pop this open. Okay. There's a big chunk over there. What happens if we mix baking soda with tartaric acid?
Oh, what you go?
Let's put this here. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Sunod terus.
Wow.
Where is that it? Okay, Mr. Is, what did you think about that?
It just eruption.
Yeah, it did some eruption. Now, I think we could go bigger. What do you think?
I need more baking soda.
Okay, let's do some more hot water. Same thing. And we add some extra thing, I guess. Yes. Okay, come on. Look, he's beginning to sweat just from this hot weather out here. Okay, so I think that is enough. That is enough. 3, 2, 1. Oh yes! Oh.
The eruption.
Yeah, that is a big eruption. The reason being is because we used soap. Yes. Now he's just playing with it. Hey guys, so sorry about the noise out there, but we've reached the end of this video. Now we are actually sweating. So I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. And Mr. Is, do you have any last comments? So I guess we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.